the eternal dance between lunar skeptics and scientists with their feet and rockets firmly on the ground. It's a story passed down through generations, kind of like grandma's lasagna recipe, but with less tomato and more theories. On one side, we have the conspiracy theorists, armed with grainy videos, flags fluttering where there's no wind, or maybe there is, but it's a lunar wind, and mysterious shadows dancing like ghosts in a B-grade horror movie. For them, the moon has remained a Hollywood mirage, a giant movie set worthy of the best Kubrick. On the other side, science, patient and tireless, responds with data, real moon rocks, not ones taken from the neighbor's backyard, precise calculations, and a mountain of evidence that would make even the biggest skeptic turn pale. Many people firmly believe that the NASA moon landings were staged. Let's try to understand why with a light-hearted yet informative approach. The evidence of conspiracy theorists. Here are some of the most popular points raised by conspiracy theory supporters, with a brief explanation of why, according to them, the images and testimonies don't add up. The flag is waving, but there's no wind on the moon. This is probably the most famous argument. In photos and videos of the American flag planted on the moon, it appears to be fluttering, which would be impossible in the absence of an atmosphere. Conspiracy theorists' explanation: it was filmed in a studio, maybe with a fan on to add some drama. The reality: the flag had a horizontal rod sewn along its top edge to keep it extended and visible in space. The folds and creases are due to it being tightly folded before deployment. The stars? Where are the stars? In photos taken on the moon, the sky is pitch black, but not a single star is visible. How is this possible if there's no atmosphere to obscure them? Conspiracy theorists' explanation: oops, did they forget to draw them? Too hard to recreate the celestial sphere. The reality: the lunar surface and the astronauts were heavily illuminated by direct sunlight. To get a well-exposed photo of such bright subjects, camera exposure times were very short. Stars, being much less luminous, didn't have enough time to be captured on film. The perfect footprint in dry soil. Neil Armstrong's footprint in the lunar dust is incredibly well defined. But conspiracy theorists wonder how it's possible to get such a clear print in an environment without moisture.